Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how to link Warzone 3 account to Activision on PS4, PS5, Xbox and PC. On the game, press the start button from the controller, then go to settings, then go to account and networks. Now go to your PC, then open the browser, then type and search Call of Duty login. Now click on login Call of Duty, then login with your email and password. Then go to your account name from top right. Then click on linked accounts, then click on link account. Then click on confirm. Now enter your PlayStation credentials and log in into the account. Then verify your identity. By following these steps, you can link Warzone 3 account to Activation on PS4, PS5, Xbox and PC.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.